Thank you for choosing a Garmin Instinct Crossover Series Adventure watch. This video will show you how to set up your new watch. First, let's talk about the button overview on your new Instinct Crossover. If you are already familiar with the layout, you can use the timeline to skip ahead to another section. The Instinct Crossover has 5 buttons. Each button can be pressed or held for different actions. There is a label for the press function inside of the screen bezel. The outside bezel has the label for the hold function. Let's start with the light control button on the top left of the watch. Pressing this button will power on your watch. While your watch is on, pressing this button will turn the back light on or off. Holding this button will show the controls menu. The controls menu provides quick access to frequently used functions, such as Do Not Disturb mode, the battery saver feature, and turning the watch off. To learn more about this feature, see our hotkeys and controls video. Let's move to the GPS button on the top right of the watch. Press the GPS button to view the activities and app list. We will cover the activity list more later in the video. You can also press the GPS button to select on-screen options. Hold the GPS button to view GPS coordinates. You may press the GPS button to save your location. On the bottom right of the watch is the back set button. Holding this button will show the clock menu. Press the GPS button to dismiss the overview screen. The down ABC button is on the bottom left of the watch. Press this button to scroll through the glance loop and menus. To learn more about your glance loop, see our Customizing the Watch Face and Widget Loop video. Use this button anytime you want to scroll down through the list of options on the watch. Hold this button to view the altimeter, barometer, and compass. This is also known as the ABC screen. The Up menu button is on the middle left side of the watch. Press this button to scroll through menus such as the glance loop. Use this button anytime you want to scroll up through a list of options on the watch. Hold this button to view the menu. From the menu, you can customize the watch face, adjust settings, and pair wireless sensors. The first time you take your watch out of the box, you will need to set it up. Begin by pressing and holding the light button on the top left to power on your watch. When you are ready, use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Then press the GPS button on the upper right to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select the check mark to begin. If you already have the Garmin Connect app installed, go ahead and open it. Otherwise, you will now need to download the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is similar on Android devices. Open the Garmin Connect app once the download is complete. The Garmin Connect app will ask if you would like to use Bluetooth. Select Sign In if you already have a Garmin Connect account, or select Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your information. For customers that are already signed in to Garmin Connect and are using an Apple device, press More on the bottom right to open settings. Android customers will select the menu icon in the top left. Once in Settings, select Garmin Devices, followed by Add Device. For new or existing customers, select Connect It when the app recognizes your watch. Your watch will now display a 6-digit code that you will need to enter on the Garmin Connect app. Then tap Pair. Now, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. To complete the app setup, select Finish. The app will offer to guide you through enabling key features and services. You can choose to proceed with the app or dismiss. Now that your watch and phone are paired, the watch face will display with the date and time. As you first start using the watch, helpful tips will display, enabling you to learn more about the watch. To get to your activity list, press the GPS button. If you have a specialized Instinct Crossover Tactical Series, you will already have a preset list of activities that align with that edition. However, you can always add additional activities to the list. For all other Instinct Crossover Series watches, after you press the GPS button to open the activities list, scroll through the list and select the activities you want by pressing the GPS button. Once you have finished selecting activities, scroll down and select Done. Now your customized activity list is complete. To open an activity, press the GPS button. And that's it, your Garmin Instinct Crossover Series watch is now set up. To learn more about your adventure watch, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.